Hey again, guys. Doing this one outside. Been cooped up all week. Been inside all day today, all last week. But I wanted to reach out and let you guys know I got a small video clip of a local Q50 guy. His name is Greg. And Greg, thank you so much for stopping by. Who installed the Helmholtz kit on his 3.7 liter Q50. And same results as the turbo model, in which at a startup, when it's warmed up, nice mellow. Under normal acceleration, nice mellow. And then when you go wide open throttle, thing comes alive. Sounds great. Really impressed. He installed it last week. Has about 300 miles on the kit, so it's settled in really nice. Really lovely sound, and I am confident at this point telling anybody, if you got a 3.7 liter Q50, throw this kit on there. You will be happy with it. It's a nice kit, and it's not as loud as a straight pipe. So enough talking. Last part of the clip is just a startup and a couple little revs so you can get to hear it. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
What?